Hey there, WordPress users and social media enthusiasts. In today's tutorial, we'll be exploring how you can seamlessly integrate your Twitter feed with WordPress to automatically create WordPress posts from your new tweets. Yes, guys. So if you are looking for a simple and effective way to repurpose your social media content and engage your blog audience, this video is for you. And here we are going to integrate your WordPress blog with your Twitter account so that whenever you tweet, your tweet will be shared on your WordPress as a post automatically, and we can set up this automation without any coding. So let's begin. To set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste this same link in the description as well so that you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So guys, you can just sign up right now, and after that sign in and select Pabbly Connect product and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give the name here. So I have given this name Twitter to WordPress integration. Alright, after giving the name, just click on create button and your workflow page will load up like this. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up any automation. So trigger is that event which is going to start the workflow, and action is going to perform any action in a different application automatically. Okay. So in our use case, guys, creating or posting a new tweet from Twitter is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be to share the tweet as a post in WordPress. So here, guys, when you click on this trigger field, it will ask to choose your trigger application. So in our use case, Twitter will be the trigger application. So search for Twitter. All right, here it is selected. Then select the trigger event as new tweet. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Twitter. And from this window, it will ask to authorize Pabbly Connect application to give the access to your Twitter account. So just click on authorize app from here and you will be connected with your Twitter handle. You can see we are now connected. And by clicking on save and send test request button here, you can fetch the data of a most recent tweet that you have tweeted from your Twitter handle. So let me show you. The last tweet I have tweeted is this. This is a sample tweet for Pabbly Connect. Okay, this is the last tweet we had. And I'm clicking on save and send test request button. And this is the response we got. And here when you scroll down, you will find the color codes of the background and your profile image URLs, your username, and all other things. Along with that, you can see the creation date of your account. And when you scroll down a bit more in the full text label, you can see the tweet that you have shared. Okay. Now guys, after getting this test data here, in this action step, I'm going to connect with WordPress. Okay, because the action is to create a post in WordPress. So action event would be create a post. So click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it will ask for the username of your WordPress account, your WordPress password, and the base URL. So you'll have your WordPress account and the password. You have to fill it here. And for the base URL, you can read the instructions. You can just open your WordPress account, your dashboard like this. From here, you can just copy the URL from the top search bar like this. Okay. Let me just copy the whole URL and then I'll show you. Here, paste the base URL like this, and now read. You have to include the leading HTTPS address, but do not include the WP admin and other things. So let me erase the extra things from here. All right. And here's how you can paste the base URL. Now, after filling all these three things, click on save and you will be connected with WordPress and your connection will be saved in your account. Alright, so if you want to make the connection again with WordPress, you can use the saved connection. For that, just click here on this existing connection option, and here it will show you the list of your saved connections. From here you can choose any connection and click on save one more time, and you will be connected again. So you do not have to fill the base URL and the credentials all over again. Okay, so we are now connected, and here it started asking for the type of the post that you want to create. So from here select post option. Here it will ask for the post title, the post content, slug, excerpt, status. So guys, now it is time to map the things that you have received from Twitter. Okay, so I want to share this text that I have tweeted from Twitter, and I want to share it on WordPress. So in the post title, I'm going to just put a new tweet from our Twitter handle. Okay, and here in the post content, you can see I'm just clicking here, and the previous step, the Twitter new tweet step, is appearing here in the drop down, and when you click on it, you can see all the data right here you just have received in the first step. So from here I'm going to map this full text label by clicking on it. Alright, if you want to put a slug, you can put it here. For excerpt, you can use this field, but these are not compulsory things, so I'm leaving these things blank right now. If you want to save it as a draft, you can save it, or if you want to directly publish it, you can select the status as publish. I'm selecting publish. Here you can provide category, tags, select media, and we have all these options that you can use. So you can select the author as well. Okay, right, and after selecting all the things, you can check your connection with WordPress by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new post will be created on WordPress. Let's see in the response. So this is the response we have received, and in this response only you can see the link generated of your WordPress post. Let me show you the link. From the link, how the post is going to look like, and this is the post that has been shared on my WordPress website. Okay, right, so here you can see the title, new tweet from our Twitter handle, and this is the text. This is a simple tweet for Pabbly Connect, and this is the same text that we had here, and it got shared from our WordPress post. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you do not have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, it will run as and when you are going to post a new tweet. That is going to trigger this workflow, and a post will be created on WordPress. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.